What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zay. Now I'm coming to y'all with my first YouTube video. And today I'm gonna be telling y'all how to make 5 to 10K a month as a merchant seaman. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, man, I'm gonna be pushing out a lot of content with this merchant seaman stuff. And then when I get home, I'm gonna be pushing up some other content too. So yeah, just stay tuned for that. And let's get into it, man. Oh, yeah, man. And this little disclaimer, man, before this video even start, man, I ain't had a cut in a while, man, so I am looking a little crazy right now, but I just want to bring y'all this video, man, so I'm just getting that out the way. Oh yeah, and if y'all hear like little cracking in the back and that little noise in the back, it's just because we got a little bit of rough weather right now, so ship a little shaky or whatever, so don't mind that if y'all hear that throughout the video. Just a little disclaimer. So yeah, man, to become a merchant seaman, all you need is a passport, a TWIC card, MMC, and a med cert. And if you go to the school that I went to, Honey Point, all you need to go to school is a passport and your TWIC card. The MMC and the med cert, they gonna do that for you when you get there. So make sure you get that passport and that TWIC. And then once you do that, all you're gonna do is apply on seafarers.org. You're gonna make a little account or whatever, and you're gonna fill out the application. Make sure when you're doing all that, don't lie about nothing. Like, especially for the MMC, whenever you get to the school, like, cause it is gonna ask you about your past, if you got any criminal history. Make sure you don't lie, cause if you get denied, or if you lie and they find out, they'll push your application back like a while. Like, you probably gonna wait like about a year. So make sure you don't lie. Make sure everything when you're doing all this this process, make sure everything is make sure you keeping it real, man. Don't lie, man. It ain't worth it. Just keep it a beam. So yeah, man. Once you get that passport and that TWIC and you apply, you're gonna get an email once you get accepted. So I applied in May of 2024, and I didn't get accepted until September of 2024. So just make sure when you do apply and you get that first email after that, just make sure, because you're gonna get an email, it's probably gonna be like you're on the waiting list or whatever. Just make sure you keep calling, man. You gotta keep calling, like I ain't gonna say every day, but you need to call at least every 2 to 3 days. Like, keep calling and blow them up, like aggravate them, because if you don't, they gonna get you in there on their time. So you just gonna be sitting around wondering, like, man, what's going on? Like, what's going on? Why am I not hearing nothing back? So just make sure you keep calling, because if you don't, you're gonna get in there when you get in there. So, and just to let y'all know, man, this process is pretty long too, so that's why I said just keep calling or whatever. This process took I started this process. I got my passport in November 2023, my TWIC card in that December. I don't know why I took so long to apply. I think I had heard like they wasn't opening nothing up until that November of 2024 or something like that. So I don't know why I just stopped. But don't do that. Make sure you're doing everything as quick as possible, because the process is already long itself. So just stay on top of your stuff. Keep calling. So I'm in the deck department. I'm on my first ship. I'm on phase 2. Phase 1 is back at the school. It's 4 months at the school. The schooling ain't hard. It's just gotta keep your head down while you're there, man. Just pass them tests, man. Study. Keep studying. It's not hard. Just pay attention in class, and you'll be fine. Like, if you graduated high school, you be straight. Just yeah, just remember you there for a reason, man. So don't be playing around. Don't be worried about the females, none of that, because you'll get sent home. Like, I seen it. I heard about it once I left. I heard about stuff that went on after I left, man. It's just crazy, man. It ain't worth it, bro. I'm telling you, it ain't worth it. But yeah, man, like I said, I'm deck. There's 3 departments you can choose from. It's deck, engine, and steward. Deck really just they just work on the decks, really. Like, you'll be painting, chipping, messing with chains. I'm on a car carrier, so that's why I mess with chains and like straps. I'll be folding the straps up. Engine, you'll be in the engine room. You mostly be there like all day. Like, you ain't really gonna come out unless to eat and to sleep. That's one reason I didn't go engine, because it can be in there up for like days. Like it can be in there for days. So I said, nah, man, I want to see, like, I want to be able to see stuff, see the water, see the, sunsets and all that, man. See that. And then Stewart, they just really mess with the food. They cook, wipe the tables down and stuff. So yeah, man, before you apply, just figure out what you want to do, man. Don't pick a department just because it's easy or they make the most money. Every department make money, bro, and if there's not really like a big difference in the money that you make. It might be like a couple thousand, but it ain't like you making 3,000 and they making 11. Like it ain't like that. It's pretty close. The margins are pretty close. So just pick something that you want to do and that you'll enjoy, because you out in the middle of the ocean. So if you're doing something that you don't want to do or you don't like, you just gonna hate it, man. So keep that in mind when you're picking a department. Just choose what you do. Do your little research or whatever about each department and see what you want to do. Because when you got to make a decision before what you want to do before you go to school. So yeah, but you can change, because there was a couple people in my class that changed while they was at school. But you gotta, I think it's like the first 8 weeks is when you gotta, if you're gonna change, that's when you gotta change. Because after you get to like that 8th week, that's when y'all split off and y'all go do stuff in each department. So the engine people will do their stuff, the deck people will do their stuff, and the sewer people will do their thing, man. So yeah, just make sure you do your research on what you want to do. Cause you just wanna enjoy the work you're doing, man. Because if you don't, you're just not gonna like it. And don't pick something just because it's easy. If you can't cook, bro, I heard Stewart's the easiest if you do want to take the easy route out. But if you can't cook, man, I don't recommend doing it, man, because you will get fired. Like if you ain't making no good food, you will get sent home. Like you'll get fired from the ship. So keep that in mind as well. But yeah, man, I'm only 20 years old, bro, and the money I'm making now, man, it's just it's pretty good, bro. For 20 years old, I'm making about 5 to 6K a month right now, and I'm still an apprentice, man. Like I'm at the bottom. I'm not even technically an OS yet. I don't become an OS till my 61st day at sea. So as an apprentice making 5 to 6K a month, man, that's good. That's good to me. That's good money, man. There's people out here that's saying, oh, I know y'all be seeing them ads on Instagram that be like, oh yeah, let's start this online business and generate 5 to 10K a month. I mean, yeah, that stuff cool and all, man. I used to want to do that too, and I probably still will do something like that eventually. But this money is guaranteed. Like you guaranteed to make the money that I'm talking about. Like you gonna make that money, man. Every ship is different, so like you might make more than what I'm making now, or you might make a little bit less, but it's gonna be in that margin. It's not gonna be that much less. But make sure when you out here, man, make sure you working that overtime, because that overtime is gonna boost your checkup a lot, like thousands. It boosts your checkup like thousands. So make sure you ain't playing around out here. Work that overtime for the deck. I work 12 hours a day every single day of the week, except for Sundays. I get to chill, watch football, relax. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, I work 12 hours a day every single day. So even weekends. So when y'all turning up on them Friday nights, them Saturdays, man, I'm getting to that money, man. It ain't hard work at all, but it ain't easy too. Like, so don't come in thinking it's always gonna be sweet and it's just gonna be, you know what I'm saying, sunshine and rainbows. It ain't gonna be like that every day. So keep that in mind, man. Yeah, and I forgot to mention, you do, like I said, you get a vacation check. Well, I didn't say that yet, but you do get a vacation check when you about to get off, and that boosts up the money you come home with a lot. Like that's really a lot of the money that you gonna make too. Your vacation check is a lot. It's gonna be a good amount of money. So you get a vacation check, you get benefits too. You get dental care, health care, eye care. You also can file for unemployment too when you get off the ship. So to me, I mean, if you don't file for the unemployment, man, you missing out on free money, man. I'm the type, I ain't leaving no money on the table, especially if it's free, man. So file for that unemployment. every unemployment, it ain't gonna be the same because it depends the state your ship is based out of, like where it's from or whatever. So everybody's unemployment ain't gonna be the same, but free money is free money, man. Don't leave nothing on the table, man. Some sacrifices you definitely gotta make while you're here. Like, you're gonna be missing birthdays, you might miss some holidays, but you do get extra. You get holiday pay. On my ship, it's a little bit more than my overtime wage. So yeah, every ship is different though. Every ship not gonna pay the same. Everything not gonna be the same. It's gonna be in the same area, but it ain't everything not gonna be the exact same. So the reason I chose to do this, man, I was just sitting at home, man. I was just like, man, I was working at Five Below. I was like, man, it's just not cutting it, man. Like, it ain't cutting it, and I need more in life. I need some real bread. So I took a year off. I graduated 2023. I'm only 20 right now. I'm making some good money, man. You're gonna make some good money if you decide to do this. Especially, I recommend this to anybody really. But if you just graduated high school, man, and you don't want to go to college, man, do this, man. Do this, man, because you're gonna be touching some good money at a young age, and it really gonna put you ahead in life, man. There's people out here they playing around, man, and I ain't playing around, man. I'm trying to touch this real bag, man. I'm trying to get some money to invest, put to the side, start businesses and stuff, man. And this definitely gonna help you out if you plan on doing anything like that. So if that's something you thinking about, like, you don't know if you want to go to college, you don't know what you want to do when you graduate, man, I recommend doing this, man. It's a lot of young people, man. To my youngest, man, leave them streets alone, man. I've seen too many people just go around the wrong path, man. Y'all ending y'all lives before they even start, man. Y'all be 17, 18, 19, and y'all going to jail for just trying to look sweet. Like, it ain't worth it, bro. There come a point in time in your life, man, where you just gotta man up, man. You gotta have a talk with yourself and just be like, man, it's time for a change. You gotta become a man, bro. That kid stuff, man. I understand being, I guess, in the streets, running the streets all the time. I understand that's cool and all when you're young, man, but y'all wasting time. So just lock in, man. I did it. You can do it too. It ain't nothing wrong with taking a step back and getting your life together. Don't ever think that they gonna look at you weird or they gonna look at you funny because you do this, you doing this when they want you to be doing that. Like, your own peace of mind, man. Like, you come to a point where you gotta start making decisions for yourself. Everybody not gonna hold your hand and just walk you through everything. Sometimes you just gotta become a man and make your own decisions. That's to all my youngest, man. I gotta start locking in, because the stuff I'm seeing, man, it's just crazy and it's dumb. Like, just lock in, man. But anyways, back to the merchant seaman stuff. So after you do all your TWIC, your passport, you apply and all that, you get your email that you accepted. Make sure you act quick, man. Everything that you're doing, when you get them emails and all that stuff, send them documents in. Try to get your drug test scheduled. You're gonna have to take a drug test too, so if you smoking, man, put it down, man. Put it down sooner than later, because I'm telling you, it's gonna be harder for you to stop if you just keep going. Just put it down, man. It's worth it, man. Put that weed down, man, just to get some money, man. It'll be there your whole life. Just smoke all that later on, man, when you lay back with your feet. I recommend this job to anybody who's just sitting at home, confused. They don't know what they want to do. They don't know what route they want to take. And you making good money. You traveling the world. You seeing stuff you never seen before. Like I already done been to 3 places in the span of like 12 days. Like, I already been to 3 places and met a whole bunch of people. They speak a whole bunch of different languages from all different types of cultures, man. You just seeing the world, man. Like, nobody want to be stuck in their hometown their whole life, man. Especially me, man. I don't want to be stuck where I'm from, man. I want to get out of there. And if you want the same thing as me, man, I recommend doing this. It's just a sweet little job, man. If y'all got any questions about anything, about the process or anything like that, just hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up in the comments. I'll definitely get back to y'all as soon as I can. Yeah, this video is really just to get y'all familiar with this job, because a lot of people don't know about it. And it's crazy that they don't, cause this job paid good money, man. Like 5 to 10K a month. Like I said, I'm an apprentice, man. I'm making about 5 to 6K a month, and the money only goes up as you progress throughout your career. So once you upgrade, like, so when you go to school, you're gonna go to school for 4 months. You're gonna go do your 60. If you decor engine, you're gonna do 60 days, go home for about a month or two, and then you're gonna go out and do 120 days. If you're steward, you're doing 120 off the bat. Like as soon as you get out of school, you're doing 120. So after you complete, if you decor engine, after you complete those 2 ships for those days, and after you steward, after you complete your 120, you're gonna go back to school and you're gonna upgrade. But when you go back to school, it ain't gonna be like how it was when you was there the first time. The first time you gonna be in school, you can't leave, do none of that. You gotta do what you gotta do while you're there. You gonna realize what I'm talking about if you went to this school or if you plan on going there. It's definitely better the second time you go back. So the money only goes up and up as you upgrade and stuff. So after I become an AB, I'll probably be making about, I don't want to give y'all no fake numbers, but I say probably from like 6 to 8K a month as an AB, and it's multiple like ranks of ABs you can become and go all the way up to AB Unlimited. And after AB Unlimited, you become a third mate. You become a mate, and the mates, man, they really pulling in money. They making over 10K a month. Same thing with engine and steward. After you upgrade, your pay just gonna keep going up and up. So make sure y'all upgrade, man. Don't be scared to be stuck in the same spot, man. Believe in yourself, man. Anybody can do it. It ain't hard. You just gotta apply yourself. Stuff ain't hard. I had to learn everything. I had to learn a lot of stuff too when I was at school. Even stuff that I won't even be really needing to know. Like it's stewards. I remember I was at school, man. Stewards like, man, why am I doing this, man? Like why am I learning about a gooseneck valve and I'm a steward? Like, but it is what it is, man. It gets you familiar with everything, though. Just while you at school, man, keep your head down. Don't try to be fake alias. You're gonna have to talk to people. Your class is gonna be your best friend. So try to make friends, acquaintances, something, just so time can go by and y'all can help each other pass, man. So if y'all need it, so like if somebody fail a test, make sure you get with your class and have everybody write them answers down and get everybody right. So when they go retake, they pass, man. Cause you don't want nobody to go home, man. If somebody go home in your class and it's because they failed a test, it ain't just on that person that failed, man. It's on that class too, cause it's a brotherhood. You gonna see that while you there, brotherhood, and sisterhood too. I mean, it's girls that go there too. So if you're female, you can do this job too. Also, I plan on, if I don't make another video on it or like a TikTok or a short or something, I'll give y'all like the real rundown. I'll probably do like a screen recording of how to exactly apply for the school, and I'll give y'all the website for the TWIC, and you can get a passport just from your local post office. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I went to the post office and got mine. It's gonna conclude this video. If you got any questions, like I said, hit me up on Instagram, hit me up in the comments. I'll get back to y'all. I'll answer every question to the best of my ability. I do remember a lot of stuff from school, so even if you're there, man, and you still got questions and you got school and you see this video, man, I'll definitely help y'all out with anything. If you need help, classes, anything really, I'll definitely help y'all out, because I want to see everybody win, man. I ain't a stingy guy. It's enough out here for everybody, man. I want to see everybody eat. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna be coming, next video coming soon for real. I'm gonna try to make another vlog. I'm gonna try to vlog when I'm in port, if I can, which I should be able to, so be on the lookout for that. And yeah, man, that's gonna conclude this video, so I'll catch y'all on the next one.